Okay, so you have someone interested who wants to purchase through you. They want you to be their coach. What the heck do you do? How do you sign them up? So I'm going to walk you through that today. I'm actually going to go ahead and share my screen so that I can walk you through exactly what you will do to help your customers get set up. Okay, so the easiest way and the most simple way for your customer to be able to sign up is for you to send them what is called a share cart link. So share cart is a really awesome tool that we have as coaches where we're actually able to send them a link to a shopping cart that we create for them so that all they have to do is click on the link and complete their purchase. So once you get to teambeachbody.com, you can actually click on, sorry, my thing is over here. Click on coach and then share a cart. So you'll click on coach and then share a cart right here. And you'll just use your login information. So whatever you used to sign up for your Team Beachbody coach account, you'll log in here. And then you're gonna have the option to enroll someone new. So new enrollment / order. So here, this is where you will put in the information for your customer. So you'll need their email address, you'll need their first name and last name. And then you down here can select if you want to sign them up as a customer, or if they want to enroll as a coach, you can sign them up as a coach by clicking that. You'll click on yes, I have permission, and then it'll walk you through the steps there. So I will try to do this. I'll just make up a fake one with my mom's account here. Okay, so we'll click customer. I'll click continue. Might just take a minute here.